Today we're diving into one of the most talked about luxury motorhomes of the year, the 2026 BMW motorhome. BMW has taken its world-famous engineering, premium comfort, and cutting-edge design to a whole new level with this incredible vehicle. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxury mansion on wheels designed for those who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing refinement or performance. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 BMW motorhome is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. Its bold front fascia features BMW's signature kidney grille, seamlessly integrated into a sculpted aerodynamic body. The LED matrix headlights give it a powerful presence, while the sweeping lines and subtle chrome accents highlight its premium craftsmanship. The motorhome sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels that not only look stunning, but also provide exceptional stability on highways and mountain roads alike. The aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency and reduces drag, while smart sensors around the body assist in automated parking and 360-degree awareness. From the panoramic glass roof to the automatic retractable awning, every detail on the outside screams innovation and elegance. Now, stepping inside, the BMW motorhome redefines what comfort means in a mobile home. The interior feels like you're entering a private luxury suite rather than a vehicle. Premium Napa leather seats with multi-zone massage functions welcome you as ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for any time of day. The cabin is wrapped in sustainable materials, oak wood trims, aluminum accents, and soft-touch suede finishes. The spacious living area includes a lounge with a retractable 75-inch OLED smart TV, surround sound audio by Harman Kardon, and even a built-in espresso bar. The kitchen features smart appliances including an induction cooktop, dual mini-fridge, convection oven, and a touchscreen control hub that manages lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Moving toward the bedroom, BMW's designers have prioritized rest and relaxation. The king-size bed comes with memory foam, temperature control, and an automatic reclining function. There's a panoramic skylight right above it, perfect for stargazing at night. The ensuite bathroom is nothing short of a 5-star hotel setup. A rainfall shower, marble flooring, LED mirrors, and smart water-saving technology. There's also ample storage space throughout the interior, cleverly designed to remain hidden yet highly accessible. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Futuristic BMW motorhome is as powerful as it is refined. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with advanced electric motors, producing a combined 720 horsepower. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5.5 seconds, which is remarkable for a vehicle of this size. The adaptive air suspension ensures an ultra-smooth ride across all terrains, and the new X-Drive intelligent all-wheel system provides excellent grip, whether you're cruising highways or exploring off-road trails. The regenerative braking system enhances efficiency, while the large-capacity lithium-ion battery offers up to 100 kilometers of silent, fully electric driving. BMW's advanced driver assist technology includes lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving for long trips. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW motorhome doesn't come cheap, but it's worth every dollar for what it offers. The starting price is around $1.6 million, and with full customization and luxury add-ons, it can reach up to $2.1 million. BMW offers a range of customization packages, including off-grid solar power systems, luxury entertainment options, and exclusive interior color themes. Overall, the 2026 BMW motorhome represents the ultimate fusion of performance, luxury, and freedom. It's not just about traveling, it's about experiencing life on the road with style, power, and unmatched comfort. If you've ever dreamed of driving a luxury home built with BMW precision, this motorhome is exactly what dreams are made of. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car and motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.